Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Big Win Updated. Start by learning the main controls and practicing basic timing drills until combos feel natural. Focus on dodge timing and stamina management to avoid costly mistakes and learn a single weapon set before branching out. Watch enemy tells, prioritize upgrades that fit your style, and practice regularly to build muscle memory and strategic awareness for better results. Knowing combos and timing is critical for big win success. Begin with probing light attacks to measure range and follow with heavy strikes only when enemies are open. Use evasive rolls or sidesteps to reset aggression and capitalize on stagger opportunities for high damage. Manage stamina carefully and avoid reckless spamming of heavy moves, and prioritize practice sessions that reinforce consistent combo execution and defensive reaction. Map awareness and resource control often decide results in Big Win. Keep an eye on the mini-map for flanking threats and secure choke points before engaging. Gather healing items and ammo when safe so you are never caught unprepared, and funnel upgrades into stats that strengthen your main weapon. Adapt tactics when enemies change patterns, coordinate with teammates when possible, and review gameplay to refine choices and build consistent success habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.